Welcome to Technia TV. I'm Shalini Guliani, Assistant Professor, BAJMC Department. Today I'm going to deliver a lecture on the topic Social Media Marketing Strategy. The first step to any strategy is to understand how and what you want out of your efforts. Social media marketing is not about flipping a switch and calling it a day. Instead, social media planning should be looked at like cooking a favorite dish. Once you have your ingredient, you follow a recipe, but that's not always the case. What if you have a guest and need to feed more people, and what if someone is allergic to any one of the ingredient? Suddenly your goal goes from making a meal to ensuring it will feed enough people and be edible by all. This is the same reason why brands should never take on every social media channel possible in their current marketing strategy. Try to choose the channel that have most importance based on your brand goals. Avoid overcomplicating a strategy with too many target and objectives. First is research your social media audience. Understanding your audience is necessary to learn things like who buy your product, what age group is the toughest to sell, and what income level makes the most of your return customer. As for social media, it is just a critical to know your audience. First, your brand should look into the demographic of your most valuable social channels. Like I mentioned before, you should have a goal in your mind for your social media marketing strategy. This is why you need to research your channel that correlates the most with your goal. Second is identify customer demographics. While the demographics data above gives you insight into each channel, what about your customer? Further analysis has to be completed before you can truly know your customer demographics on social media. That is why many brands use a social media dashboard that can provide an overview of who is following you, how they interact with you on each channel. Most brands today are using at least some sort of dashboards. However, does your dashboard address your specific goals? Whether you are an agency providing insight for your clients or an enterprise company discovering your own demographics, an all-in-one dashboard solution is critical. Number three is establish your most important metrics. While your targeted social media metrics might be the most important step of your strategy, it's often the spot most weird of path. Vanity metrics like follower count and likes are always good to measure, but does it tell you the whole story brand on social media? We often get wrapped up in viewing followers and likers the truths to a campaign, but it's smart to take a step back and evaluate social metrics associated with your goals. Next is reach. Post reach is the number of unique users who saw your post. How far is your content spreading across social? Is it actually reaching users' feed? Clicks, this is the amount of clicks on your content, company name or logo. Link clicks are critical towards understanding how users move through your marketing funnel. Tracking clicks per campaign is essential to understand what drives curiosity or encourage people to buy. Engagement, the total number of social interaction divided number of impressions. For engagements, it's about seeing who is interacted, and it was a good ratio out of your total reach. This shed light on how well your audience perceives you and their willingness to interact. Hashtag performance. Hashtag performance, what were your most used hashtags on your site? Which hashtag were most associated with your brand, or what hashtag created the most engagement? Number four is research your social competitive landscape. Before you start creating content, it's really smart to investigate your competitors. We put this before the content creation process because you often find new ways to look at it and content by analyzing what making your competitors successful. Again, I'll always believe you that you should steal your competitors ideas, but instead learn and grow from their success and failures. So how do you find that information? The first step is to find who is your competitor in the first place. The simple way to find out competitors is through a simple Google search. Look up your most valuable keyword, phrase, and industry terms to see and show up. For example, if you sold various soaps, handmade and natural soaps, would be a great keyword to investigate. Number fifth is build and curate engaging social media content. Did someone say content? It's no lie, social media content is extremely important to your marketing strategy. However, it is best to follow the previous step before planning out content so you can start building more effective themes. For starters, I recommend creating content that fits to your brand's identity. This means you should avoid things like reaching out to your unpopular demographics without a complete strategy in place. It's necessary to find perfect balanced target content and being only promotional as well. Number six is engage with your audience and do not ignore. Social media channels are built as network. This means their main purpose is to be a space to converse, discuss topics, share content, etc. Your brand can't forget these core elements of networking, and it takes effort to ensure conversion or engagement opportunities are not left unattended. Through social media, you gain respect as a brand by just being present and talking to your audience. That's why social customer care is so important to brands wanting to increase audience awareness. It's all about engagement. For example, Seamless does a wonderful job of not only responding but showing customer care is priority. Through the right social media mentoring tools, you can find instances across all your channels to interact, respond, and gauge customer service inquiries. Number seven is track your effort and always improve. So, how well did you do on your social media marketing strategy? Without continuously analyzing your efforts, you will never know how one campaign did over another. Having a bird eye view of your social media activity help put things perspective. So this is all in this social media strategy. Hope you understand this lecture. For more videos, like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.